किन लफ्जों में इतनी कड़वी, इतनी कसीली बात लिखूं। शेर की मैं तहजीब निभाऊं या अपने हालात लिखूं। How do I describe the bitterness, the suffering? What do I write? Should I follow the norms of poetry or write about my plight? These are the lines by Javed Akhtar Sahab. Such simple and honest lines that describe everything that is happening around us today. Javed Sahab is known more for writing scripts and lyrics for the Indian film industry. But he is one of the most prominent and most powerful poets of Urdu Adab today. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.